Today we are going to do these two questions, question number 3 and 4 of chapter number 7, settlements. Okay, last week we have done two questions, 1 and 2. And today we are going to do these two questions. So open your notebooks and book. So we will continue this work, right? Okay, so the question number 3 is being asked. Okay,
मिस आंसर्स में करा दें.
question number 3, differentiate between CBD and inner city. So you need to write 3 points for each part. Okay? It means you need to write the 3 points for CBD and other 3 points for inner city. So you need to write the differences. Okay? You need to write 3 differences of each. So for example, what is CBD? So what is the CBD?
मिस
जी. So, what points you people can write in against of inner city? Can anybody tell me what could be the first point for CBD? That is the Central Business District. Adiba, your voice is very low. I can't understand a single word.
Can I tell?
Question number 3 is written in front of you, right? मैंने आपसे पूछा है कि मुझे जो है आप CBD का कोई एक पॉइंट बताएं इन अगेंस्ट ऑफ इनर सिटी जो डिफरेंशिएट कर सके एक दूसरे को एक दूसरे से, ठीक है?
Miss, it is the busiest area in a city and is usually at the city center.
Exactly. So the first point could be in the central business district. From the first line, you people can see or can make it as a first point. It is the busiest area in the city and is usually at the city center, right? And kindly everybody
मिस
switch on your camera.
पेज नंबर के
Miss, please share the screen.
Okay, wait. Now, the second point of CBD, we can write what you people need to do. You need to make a differentiate, right? So you need to make two parts, two separation. आपने दो parts बनाने होंगे जैसे differentiate या differences हम लिखते हैं, ठीक है? The first part or first point we have done of CBD. The second point, what could be the second point? Can anybody tell me, Jafar?
मिस 1 पॉइंट यहाँ पर आवा है 74 पे पहले पैराग्राफ में.
74 पर CBD की heading given है, पेज नंबर 74 पे.
जी जी मिस.
पेज नंबर 74 पे गिवन है सीबीटी की हेडिंग.
जी मिस. मिस ये पूरा है पॉइंट है.
पेज नंबर 74 पे सीबीटी की हेडिंग गिवन है. शाहजेब, आई एम आस्किंग टू यू अगेन.
यस
The next point, what would be the next point, Jafar? I am asking to you.
सीबीडी का या इनर सिटी.
CBT का second point.
Many shop offices
Miss, it is
institution example banks
the
are
most
located here.
visible part of the city as it is written by the main transport routes.
Can anybody speak only one at a time?
आवाज आ रही है मेरी.
जी थोड़ा सा लाउड बोलिए.
Yes. सेकंड पॉइंट होगा many shops offices and financial
This is the example. You can consider these point as an example, right? Where you have ended this point, you will can see in the fourth line, it is the most accessible part of the city as it linked by main transport routes. Okay, so that could be the second point of CBD. Are you all with me? After that, you will can see what is the main point first. Okay, so in the on the same paragraph of the CBD, you people can see seventh line. The buildings in the CBD are very tall and close to each other. In the day, many people work here, but at night, the CBD is almost closed.
Miss, this is whole the third point.
Yes.
मिस
G. Yes.
क्या बोलते हैं उसका वन का इट इज द बिजनेस एरिया इन द सिटी मिस सेकंड पॉइंट का और मिस जो पहला ये है ना इट इज से लेकर सेंटर तक
Exactly. Who gonna make the inner city points? Hurry up. Inner city points. Who gonna make the inner city point? Hurry up.
You have to write.
Three. Like you have done 3 points of CBD, in the similar way you need to do the 3 points for inner city.
Miss, in inner city, the first line will be there is a mix of wholesale manufacturing activities and houses.
Exactly. Everybody has listened this point. Those students, they are asking again and again. So please listen to this point again. Ami, repeat the point.
Miss, first line there is a mix of wholesale manufacturing activities and houses.
Exactly. Rehan, Shazeb, I hope you will have heard this point.
मिस यहाँ पर ना देयर इज अ मिक्स ऑफ होल
G. Till the
मिस
next line.
सीबीडी के सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट है
No, 3 points.
मिस थर्ड पॉइंट क्या है
Told us under the heading of inner city, there is a mix of wholesale manufacturing activities and houses. And what would be the second point?
Miss, second line the density of the house is high as land is still expensive.
Okay, on the same line, the density of the houses is high as land is still expensive. Right, everybody? The density of the houses is high as land is still expensive. So that is the second point. Third point, houses tend to be terrace houses with small yards that open onto the roads. Or you can make the third point, these houses were developed to provide cheap housing for the workers who work in the factories in the inner zone or the CBD. You can make third point by on your own. ठीक है खुद बना सकते हैं आप नो इशू चलेगी I hope everybody has marked third point. Are you all done this question number 3? Abira, Amna, Fakiha, Jafar, Mushtaba, Ashraf, Rehan, Shazeh. Are you all done? Question number 3.
No, Miss University का वो
Do it fast,
फ्री
beta.
रहता है.
Then question number 4. We will do the next is question number 4. Okay? Syed Mohammad Hamza, you have just joined right now, 2 or 3 minutes back, right? Switch on your camera and we are doing this work. Switch on your camera, Hamza. Name and explain different types of settlements. Okay? So, where you can see the answer for this question in your book. It's very easy and that is given to you on page number 73 of your book, right? Settlement patterns. Hamza, we have done question number 1 and 2 last week, right? Question number 4, name and explain different types of settlements. So, who gonna tell me how many types of settlement patterns are given in your book, in the chapter?
Miss 3.
And what are these?
Dispersed settlement patterns, linear settlement patterns, and nucleated settlement patterns.
Exactly. So there are 3 types of settlement patterns are given. So first of all, how will you write it down? In the beginning, you will start. There are 3 main settlement patterns. You need to write the name, and then after that, you need to put the heading of each pattern and explain them. Are you all getting my point?
मिस इनका पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखे.
For example, you have put the heading of dispersed settlement patterns. The dwellings are spread out over a large area without any specific pattern. The dwellings may be spread out being separated by forests or highlands. Just. You don't need to mention figure 7.5 and 6. Okay? Rehan, got it?
Yes, Miss.
Likewise, you will do and other types of settlements like the linear settlement and the nucleated settlement patterns. I hope everybody got my point.
मिस पहले सेटलमेंट के नाम लिखेंगे फिर एक एक कर.
Once you are done with the first part or the first type, you need to continue likewise this other part as well.
मिस आप मुझे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर बता देंगी.
Okay, you need to draw that. That is a simple picture is given of dispersed. You just need to draw the box and put the points. Okay, with the gap. Are you all getting my point? Disperse की आप कैसे figure draw करेंगे? You just need to draw the box and make the points with the gap. So that means shows a dispersed settlement or the spreaded settlement pattern. Likewise, you need to draw the next figure in the linear settlement pattern. You need to make the proper figure that is given in your book. समझ में आई बात? Amna, Abira, Shazeb, Jafar, Fakiha, and on the nucleated settlement pattern, you need to draw this figure 7.9. Done with that? Okay. Hamza, I asked you to show me your copy. Have you written the question or not? Answer me yes or no. Simple as that.